I'm Vashnil Prasad.
Hi, I'm Mayank Jain,
And we are from Hills Real Estates.
and we are presenting today 53 Burundi Avenue in Manureva. Please come and have a look with us.
Situated on a prime 608 square meter site, this property presents incredible potential. This home features 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a spacious formal living area. The large level section also includes 3 utility rooms and ample space for additional parking. Zoned residential, mixed housing, suburban, this site offers fantastic redevelopment opportunities. With stormwater and wastewater services already on site, the property is ready for your vision to take shape. Plus, you'll enjoy the convenience of being just a few minute drive to motorway access and 3 minutes to Peck and Save and town center shops.
So please come in the open homes or call for a private viewings.
See you